Hello students, are you ready? I am going to explain determination of internal resistance of a cell. This is a potentiometer and this is a cell whose EMF capital E we have to determine. In figure, a complete circuit when K1 closed and K2 is open, then in null deflection of galvanometer, EMF of cell is equal to potential difference across AJ. Therefore, EMF of cell equal to KL1. This is equation 1, where L1 equal to AJ. And when suitable resistance is taken in the resistance box, from this resistance box taken R, and K2 is closed, then the null deflection, then at null deflection, the potential difference between the ends of resistors is equal to KL2, where K is potential gradient and L2 is equal to the AJ. From equation 1 and 2, the ratio of E and V, we get L1 upon L2. The internal resistance of cell is given by R equal to capital R in small bracket E by V minus 1. Put the value of E upon V, L1 by L2 minus 1. Therefore, internal resistance small r equal to capital R, L1 by L2 minus 1. Now, second application of potentiometer. Comparison of EMF of two cells. As shown in circuit, EMF of cell E1 and E2 we have required. When K1 is closed, then potential difference across AB established. Now, by means of K2, cell E1 included in circuit by K2. At null deflection of galvanometer capital G, E1 equal to KL1. Now, when K2 is when cell E2 included in circuit by means of K2, then at null deflection of galvanometer G, E2 equal to KL2. From equation 1 and 2, E1 by E2 equal to L1 by L2. This is the comparison of EMF of the two cells. Calculate the currents I1, I2 and I3 in the given circuit. The cells are negligible. The cells have well, internal resistance. Calculate the currents I1, I2 and I3 in the given circuit. The cells have negligible internal resistance. I3 equal to I1 plus I2. In closed circuit, according to Kirchhoff's first rule, in closed circuit, A, B, C, A. I1 into 1. First you take in closed circuit A, B, C, A. I1 into 1 plus I3 into this given resistance 2 into 2 equal to EMF of the cell minus 2. I1 plus 2, put the value of I1 plus I2 equal to, that is a minus 2. I1 plus 2I1 plus 2I2 equal to minus 2. 3I1 plus 2I2 equal to minus 2. This is equation 1. So in figure given this positive, this negative, so that this will be positive according to this is equation 1. In closed circuit, by Kirchhoff's second rule, in closed circuit A, B, C, A, by Kirchhoff's second rule, I1 into 1 plus I3 into 2 equal to 1. I1 plus 2, I1 plus I2 equal to 1. I1 plus 2, I1 plus 2, I2 equal to 1. Means this is I2. Therefore 2I1 plus 3I2 equal to 1. This is equation 2. On solving, equation 1 multiplied by 2, equation 1 t multiplied by 2 and equation 2 by 3. 6I1 plus 4I2 equal to 4, and this 4I1 6I1 plus 9I2 equal to 3. Now subtracting, minus 5I2 equal to 1, I2 equal to 1 by minus 1 by 5, 0 minus 0.2 ampere. Put in equation 1. I2 in equation 1, not equation 1, equation this, equation 2, equation 3, equation 1, and in equation this 2, this 2, this 3, you can see this 3. 3I1 plus 2 into minus 0.2 equal to 2. 3I1 that become plus minus 0.4 equal to 2. 3I1 2 plus 0.4, 3I1 equal to 2.4. I1 equal to 2.4 divided by 3, 0.8 ampere. I3 equal to I1 plus I2, 0.8 minus 0.2, I3 equal to 0.6 ampere. Answer: I1 equal to I1 equal to 0.8 ampere, I2 equal to minus 0.2 ampere, and I3 equal to 0.6 ampere. This is the question 1. All of you write down. Compute question 2. The reading of ammeter in the given network. Hi Miraj. 2 and 2 this solution, this 2 ohm and this 2 ohm in parallel combination, therefore 1 by Rp equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is 3 by 2, or Rp equal to 2 by 3. Therefore after this become new circuit. This 2 by 3 ohm. Now ammeter reading, I equal to EMF given here 2 volt. EMF upon total resistance, this I equal to 2 upon 2 plus 2 by 3. This I equal to 2 upon 6 plus 2 by 3, or you may write 6 by 8, Z equal to 0.75 ampere. This is the reading of ammeter reading A. All of you complete these numericals.